Breaking news, Nvidia's CEO just dropped a bombshell that's sending shockwaves through the tech industry. Find out what Jensen Huang said that got investors going wild and why it's a game changer for Nvidia stocks. Like, subscribe, and let's talk Nvidia. In recent interview on CNBC, Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang makes some shocking comments that got investors excited about Nvidia's stock. In this video, I will review those comments and elaborate on what they could mean for you, Nvidia stock investors. Nvidia's stock price jumped as much as 5% after Huang said demand for its next generation Blackwell chips has been insane. Typically, management of large companies like Nvidia use more subdued language to describe demand for the products. But Huang's use of the word insane suggests the demand is well ahead of supply. This is a significant departure from the usual language used by CEOs, and it's clear indication that Nvidia is experiencing unprecedented demand for its products. What we can infer from this is that Nvidia's products are selling out quickly, and the company is likely to continue producing at full capacity for the foreseeable future. This is great news for Nvidia stock investors, especially considering that the company's recent design issues that caused delays in customer rollout. The fact that demand is still insane despite these issues suggests that Nvidia products are in high demand and the company is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. Some investors were starting to get concerned about Nvidia stocks given its 148% year-to-date price increase. However, looking at the market price alone is not enough to determine if a stock is expensive or cheap. You need to look at what you're getting in return for the price you are paying. In the case of Nvidia, investors have gotten a lot in return for their investment. In the second quarter of fiscal year 2024, Nvidia's revenue jumped 122% to $30 billion, and its operating profit jumps 174% to $18.6 billion. This justifies the stock price increase as investors are getting a lot more in return for what they're paying. The CEO also mentioned that the Blackwell rollout is going as planned and everyone wants to get their hands on the new chips. This is despite recent delays which had caused concern among some investors. However, Nvidia's performance in terms of revenue, profit, and cash flow continues to improve even if the stock price has been flat to down recently. This suggests that the company's fundamentals are strong and the stock price is likely to follow suit in the long term. What's slowing down for Nvidia is the rate of growth. The company's revenue and operating profit growth are likely to slow down from their current levels, but this is to be expected. The initial surge in growth is due to the rising effectiveness of AI and the demand for Nvidia's capabilities. As the market becomes more saturated, growth rates are likely to slow down, but this doesn't mean that Nvidia's stock is no longer a good investment opportunity. Market forecasts suggest that the spending on AI, artificial intelligence, is going to grow by another $1 trillion between now and 2030. This means that Nvidia is still in the early stages of its growth and the company has a lot more room to continue growing. The AI market is still in its infancy and Nvidia is well positioned to capitalize on this trend. Now, in terms of valuation, Nvidia's forward price to earnings ratio is around 31, which is relatively cheap for a company with its growth prospects and competitive advantage. This means that even if the market price increases, investors are still getting a good value for their money. The company's valuation is still attractive, and investors who are willing to hold onto the stock for the long term are likely to be rewarded. The valuation metrics that compare the price to something you're getting in return, such as the forward price to earnings ratio, are important to consider when evaluating Nvidia's stock. These metrics provide a more complete picture of the company's value, and investors make informed decisions. Overall, Nvidia's CEO comments suggest that the company is doing well and its stock is still a good investment opportunity. Despite recent price increase, the company's fundamentals are strong and the stock price is likely to continue to rise in the long term. Investors who are willing to hold on to the stock for the long term are likely to be rewarded as Nvidia continues to capitalize on growing demand for AI and its capabilities. It's also worth noting that Nvidia's stock price has been relatively flat to down recently despite company's strong performance. This could be an opportunity for investors to buy into the stock at a relatively low price before the market catches up with the company's fundamentals. In conclusion, Nvidia CEO comments suggest that the company is doing well and its stock is still good investment. The company fundamentals are strong and the stock price is likely to continue to rise in the long term. Investors who are willing to hold on to the stock for the long term are likely to be rewarded as Nvidia continues to capitalize on the growing demand for AI and its capabilities. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's dig in the chart of Nvidia. Nvidia, if you follow me here on YouTube, you know these trend lines. Once again, Nvidia is failing to break and close above this yellow trend line. This is why I always say trend lines with the combination of Fibonacci support resistance. It's the perfect, almost perfect, there is no perfect in trading, almost perfect roadmap for future price action. Inside week, 2.9% to the upside with an inside weekly candle. Now let's see, can we finally break above next resistance 129.58 and 140? This is how it looks on the daily. Tried to break, but one candle, same as this candle, one candle does not change the overall sentiment, and the overall sentiment for now on Nvidia is still a downtrend. I want to see on the daily at least breaking above the 127.67 and then heading north. Once again, thank you very much for watching this video. I do hope you found it helpful, educational. If so, like, subscribe, check the links in the description below for more educational resources. Until the next video, stay safe.